Display detached. Remove the water tank cover and filter. Open the door and slide the top cover forward to remove it. Remove the black cover. Disconnect the white wire. Use a hairdryer to dry the display. Then, leave it in a dry place for 1 hour. Connect the white wire. Check if the display works properly. Otherwise, the display needs to be replaced. Install the black cover. Put the black box back on top. Recheck if the display works. Align the clip with the hole below. Install the water tank cover and filter.